Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you the ultimate vegetable soup. Forward in the kitchen, I'm sure how to deal with it. So first we're going to start off with vegetable base into our hot water. Garlic, corns and potato. Then we allow those to cook for about 5 minutes. And then we add our carrots, celery, zucchini. Gonna go in with our black pepper, our dried thyme, basil, sea salt. I'm just gonna give that a stir. I'm gonna add our green onion, white onion, and leeks. Next up, we're gonna add our baby spinach, broccoli, and mushrooms. And allow those to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium low. After 5 minutes, this is what it should look like. Then we're gonna add some fresh broccoli and spinach and we're ready to serve. And there you have it. Vegetable soup made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing dishes like these. This vegetarian delight will have you coming back for more. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.